I'm going to apologize in advance for the shakiness of this video. Handheld is really the best way to get this measurement. So here we see our ramp set up from the side. And then if we look at the floor, right here is where we've put my foil covered cardboard to act as a target. So here's my marble. I'm going to take it, put it all the way up at the top of the ramp, touching the peg. I'm going to release it. It'll roll down the ramp, off the end, and it'll hit that cardboard. So here we go. Now, you can see right here, that mark right there, ignore the first one, that mark right there is where the marble hit. So what we're going to do is take our meter stick right here on the centimeter side, and I've made a mark on the floor here where the edge of the ramp is even with. We're going to lay our meter stick down, make sure it's even there, and make sure that it is straight. And we're going to measure how far the marble traveled. So you can see right here, I'm actually going to pull in another ruler to help line it up a little bit better. So let's look at right where the center of that dot is. So right where the second ruler crosses, right here, that is our horizontal distance, or our dx. I'm going to go in closer. I want you to figure out what that is. So right now this is in centimeters, but remember, for our calculations, it needs to be in meters. Here is our second distance. Record that, convert it to meters. Here is our third distance. Again, record it and convert it into meters. And finally, our fourth distance, record and convert into meters. Now, once you have finished with that, if you look at your data table, we've done 4 runs. You have 4 dx measurements. You're going to take those dx measurements, plug them in along with the time that you've calculated, show your work right here in this column, and calculate the velocity for each of those 4 runs. Once you have 4 velocities calculated, you're going to find your average. In the next video, we'll walk through how to take the measurement off of the LabQuest. It's very, very simple. Make sure you have the calculation chart done before you go on to video number 3.